anything? I see fish. I see sunfish.
Look, down here, why?
Doesn't even see the sunfish right
Oh, yeah,
there. There they are.
Look.
Oh, a sunfish died?
No,
Oh, I see.
down
Yeah, there's the sunfishes. I see the bottom and the sunfish. The gators last one over here on the side. More sunfish. You guys, do you see the sunfish? Oh, sunfish. And other little fishies. Mm-hmm. All right. I hear people at the pool. Do I see the pretty lily pads? Lily flowers. All right, let's see. Any gators? Oh, there's a gator. Oh, it's climbing on the lily pads. Oh, God. We got him. Oh, it hears me. Oh, God. Here it is, guys. We got the gator. There is the gator. Does everyone see the gator right there? It's like, I hear you. I'm going to tell my mommy. Here's the gator, guys. Does everyone see the gator right there? Oh, shh. I don't want to come munch me. Right here on the bridge, there's the gator. Any other gators nearby? Oh, sorry, Abby. Shh, Abby says we need to be quiet. Okay. There he goes. Okay, there's the gator. Okay, guys. So there's the gator. Oh, I can't put my fingers through. I might bite it. There it is. We found the gator. But if that's the same gator as last time, I think. So this is definitely the gator bridge. It's just like chillaxing right now. So there's that one gator. I wonder where to go. Oh, there it is. I wonder how many more gators there are in this gator lake. Ooh, what's on its tail? Do you see that like fuzz on its tail? It's like really weird. Do you guys see that like fuzz on its tail right there? It's like a fuzzy tree. You see it right there, Abby? It's like fuzzy green stuff. Like it's underneath its tail, yeah. Let's get right. Oh, now we're right underneath it. Look at this. What's on its tail? Does anyone know? Does anyone have any alligators as pets? Pop's gonna be so jealous. Look at that gator, guys. Whoa. Abby, we just keep having successful gator hunts, you and I. Oh, don't drop anything on the water. Look at this. I don't know if it's algae or what's on the bottom of that gator. It's so crazy. Okay, now goes. I don't think it's a big one. It's like 2 to 3 feet. It's like, oh, don't throw your hands over there. All right, let's see if there's a gator on this side. Okay. Don't lean over, Mommy. I will follow the rules. I don't want to get eaten by an alligator. Okay. There's like a coconut thing. Kind of blend in with the water. Did the gator move? It moved. Did it move?
No.
Oh, its head moved.
Oh, yeah, eat the arm.
And its arm.
Eat that deal.
Yeah, look at.
Oh, my God.
Oh, it's moving. Yeah, it's moving. You're right. Yeah. There it is, guys. There's our gator. Early morning gator hunting. We got it. Getting it done early in the morning here. Look at all the fish just eating away.